Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Just informing or just telling you that the One UI 7 still the ROM is in progress. Already released for the S20 and S10 and Note 20 Ultra. Well, you can see that the fingerprint scanner is working, and I did something with the Galaxy AI because this ROM is ported from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So there are a lot of features of which is coming with the S25 Ultra with the One UI 7 working after installing the ported ROM on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let me show the about phone. This is not S25 Ultra. This is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, right? And this is what I got on my mobile phone right now, One UI 7.0 Android 15. 1st October 2024. This can be update, I hope so, and the build number. Now let's do the magic tricks. We'll go to gallery and I will open a picture like this one. First of all, sorry for the inconvenience. The lines that I'm getting on my mobile phone, actually the LCD or LED is very expensive for this mobile phone. I can't afford to change it, and I hope you can see the pictures clearly. Let's see what magic trick it can do. I will tap Galaxy AI. So I will try to remove the cover that currently the girl having it on her eyes, right? Let's see Galaxy AI can do this or not. And one more good news is that the S Pen is also working with this board. So I will draw a lines with the S Pen. The Galaxy AI automatically set the lines to the border of the cover, and I will tap erase. Then I will tap generate. Ta-da! This feature, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, not having it with the stock firmware that we have on this mobile phone. After flushing the One UI 7 ported ROM, we can do magic things with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, what you will say, just wow. I know that you can't wait to have this ROM on your mobile phone. I will bring another video about it. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel to like the video. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.